So good day, guys. Today we are going to design a business flyer using the PixelLab App. I will just do a very simple flyer. I will be using this size for the flyer. Then I will go to color, and for the color, I will choose this gradient color. Actually, yeah, here is the code. You can actually see the code in case you need it directly. So here is it. I will create a shape. In this shape, I will just drag it toward here, toward here. Then I'll increase the radius a little bit, and then for the color I'll put a gradient color, this, and then for stroke I'll put maybe 2, let's say 2, and then color of the stroke should be white. Yeah, so here we go. You can actually see how it works. So I will go to text here. I will just write the text here. Yeah, I already copied the text. I've already copied it. I just pasted it. So here is it. I will go to my fonts, and then I will change the fonts to be neutral regular. Yeah, and I will decrease the size of the font a little bit. Just increase it a little bit. So what will happen is I will just reduce the size of the shape and then drag it down like this. So here we go. I will create another shape here, and this shape I will just make it to be a kind of small like this. Then I will just increase the radius to be 5. Then I'll put the stroke to be 2. And let it be white. Yeah, so you can actually see how it is. I'll copy it, paste it here, and I'll copy this again, then paste it here. Drag this back. Yeah, I will copy it again and then paste it here. So now I'll create another shape here. So on this shape, I'll just do like this, Then I'll kind of increase the size here. So I will drag this shape toward here. I will make it to be at this axis. Just like this. So I will create another shape. Then I will just do like this. Then for this one I need it to be long. Sorry. Yeah, so here we go. So I will create a text and then write the brand name. I'll go to here and then I will choose this buttons. So I will go to, I'll use this font actually, and then what I will do now is I'll write collections. Let's say collection. Then I need the font to be, this. So let me go to, where is my shadow? I'll just shadow it with black. Yeah. So here we go with this. So I will write a text here, contact us. And then put it here. For the font, I will use neutral regular. Then decrease the size. So here we go. So for these pictures, I will texture them with a shape. So let me just texture it. Where you see a shape. Sorry, I will texture it with this. This is the first one. So let me just increase the radius. So let me go with, so let me increase the stroke here to 2. Let's say 2. And then for this one, I will go to shape also. I will go to texture also, and then texture it with, let's say this 2. Then I will put the radius to be 1 by 1. And you can actually see, I'll scale it. Yeah. So I'll texture, I'll put stroke 2. For this one too, I will do the same thing that I did. So for this, I will texture it with this. Yeah. Let me just increase the square. So for this, I will texture it with this. Yeah, so here we go. So now what remains is I'll just kind of put a kind of small shape. So I'll copy the shape again, do same. Yeah, so here we go. So now what remains is I will go to my gallery and then import something. So I'll import this. I'll just reduce the size. Yeah, I need this color. So I'll go here to text and then write our service. I'll use neutral regular. Yeah, so now what remains is I'll go to gallery and then import some things. I'll import some icons. I'll go to gallery and import some icons. So I just imported some of the icons. You can see Facebook icon. I will just increase the size, drag it to the down here. And I need it to be around this axis. Yeah. So for this Instagram, I just also drag it down, reduce the size. So I'll go to text and write the handle. So for this, I will go to neutral regular. Sorry, I will go to fonts and then choose neutral regular. So I'll go to text and then write the phone number here. So I'll use this. Yeah. So now for this WhatsApp, yes, I'll just drag it here. So here we go with this. So you can actually see how our flyer looks like. So here is the completion. We have reached the completion of the flyer. Thank you very much for your time. If you find this to be very useful, consider subscribing. So you can actually save your work here as Ultra, and then you can go to Snapseeds or maybe PixArt to do your other editing. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.